Today's design trends are evolving quickly, and outdoor living spaces are no exception. With MSI's Artera Premium Porcelain Pavers, you can get all the features of natural stone pavers with the added benefits of porcelain. Resilient to freeze-thaw cycles, these pavers' strength and durability is unmatched, and the array of porcelain styles available make them a top choice for outdoor spaces. These pavers feature high-definition inkjet designs that replicate authentic looks found in natural stone, cement, and wood, opening a world of possibilities for your space. This video will demonstrate how you can install these porcelain pavers, using the same techniques as you would other sandset installations. While there are a few different methods for installing these pavers, we will demonstrate how to install with traditional sandset over a compacted road base. For this method, you will need a wet saw with a diamond blade and plastic spacers to maintain a minimum of 1/8 inch between the pavers. The installation will begin with excavation of the work area. When doing this, take into account the thickness of the 3/4 inch paver, the compacted sand, and the road base. The thickness of the road base will be determined by soil and climatic conditions. Compact the soil, ensuring a slight slope away from any buildings or foundations. Over the compacted subgrade, lay out a geotextile filter fabric to separate the base material from the soil and limit weed growth. Next, you will fill the area with the base layer. This may be a road base or gravel, but in either case, make sure it is well compacted. Above the road base, you can install an edge restraint to keep the pavers from shifting. But for this install, we will use a mortar edge once the pavers are laid. Spread the bedding sand after the road base. The sand is used to help support the pavers and to prevent lippage between them. Compact the layer of sand and screed to ensure it is flat and sloped away from the building. Finally, you will lay the pavers. Use plastic spacers at the joints to keep a 1/8 inch space between pavers. The spacers can be used in a 4-joint project or snapped apart to be used for a 3-joint project. Check that the pavers are flat and identify any high or low spots. Tamp them lightly to ensure they remain flat. You will want to make sure that the pavers are sloped away slightly from buildings and foundations for water runoff. Sweep off any debris when all pavers are in place. Never compact the pavers with a plate compactor. Here we will install our concrete edge to limit movement. Next, you will need to fill the joints with polymeric sand. Make sure that the sand is fine-grained enough to pass through and fill the 1/8 inch joints. Sweep the sand into the joints until they are completely full. Then remove any excess sand and dust from the surface. Once the surface is clean, mist your entire project area with water to activate the polymer and cure the mixture. Be careful not to saturate the surface with a hose, as it may wash the polymer binder out of the mixture and remove sand from the joints. When using polymeric sand, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions to avoid surface staining. The polymeric sand locks the pavers in place and limits any movement. After the polymer has cured, your pavers will be ready for use. Available in several styles and sizes, MSI's Artera Porcelain Pavers offer on-trend designs for decks, walkways, pool areas, and more. Using the same installation techniques as other sandset installations, these pavers are an excellent choice for your hardscaping needs.